the Maple Leaf Learning Playhouse. Hey guys, let's make the funny bunny puppet, okay? Yeah. Well, first, let's do a little bit of coloring, okay? Yeah. I think I'll color inside his ears pink. There's one, and two, and his nose, and some blue eyes, and let's color the inside of his mouth red, okay? Yeah. Great, now grab your scissors and cut it out. Wow, don't cut all of this piece out yet. Fold it first, okay? Fold it on this line like this. And fold it on this line like this. And lastly, fold it on the bottom line like this. Great! Now that it's folded like this, you can cut it out. Great! Now grab your glue and let's put it together, okay? Take the ears and fold the bottoms like this. There's one. And there's two. And grab your glue and glue them on. There's one. And the last one's like this. Great! Now grab the teeth and let's glue those on. Fold it like this. Put on some glue. And stick them in. Wow, that's cute. Now we need to make the handles. Take this piece and fold it on one side like this, measure it, and fold the other side to make it fit. There's one, and do the same with the other one. One fold, measure, and fold it again. Great! Well, now grab your glue and let's glue on the handles. There's one, and do the same on the other side. Great! Stick it on and we're all done. Now we have a very cute, funny bunny puppet. Yeah, pretty cool, eh? I like this puppet. It's fun. I know a song about a funny bunny. Let's sing, okay? Maple Leaf Learning. Hey, let's play an Easter game. Can you find what the Easter Bunny forgot? Are you ready? Here we go. Oh no, silly bunny. Oh no, silly bunny. Oh no, silly bunny, what did he forget?
His basket.
Bingo! Oh no, silly bunny. Oh no, silly bunny. Oh no, silly bunny, what did he forget?
His carrot.
Fantastic! Oh no, silly bunny. Oh no, silly bunny. Oh no, silly bunny, what did he forget?
His vest.
You're right! Oh no, silly bunny. Oh no, silly bunny. Oh no, silly bunny, what did he forget?
His bow tie.
Good job! Oh no, silly bunny. Oh no, silly bunny. Oh no, silly bunny, what did he forget?
His flower.
Great! Oh no, silly bunny. Oh no, no, silly bunny. Oh no, silly bunny, what did he forget?
His what?
Right again. Oh no, silly bunny. Oh no, silly bunny. Oh no, silly bunny, what did he forget?
His ears.
Oh no! It's okay, silly bunny. It's okay, silly bunny. It's okay, silly bunny. We all love you so. Hey, silly bunny, go find your ears. I'm gonna find some eggs. Thanks for playing. Maple Leaf Learning. Hi guys, I hope you're happy today. If you subscribe, I'll be happy too. Yeah!